Gone are the days of scrambling for currency exchange or racking up hefty foreign transaction fees. Today, we're diving into the world of travel cards, specifically the YouTrip card. Picture this: you're strolling down the vibrant streets of Tokyo, ready to devour a steaming bowl of ramen. But wait, your wallet only holds dusty traveler's checks and a single crumpled dollar bill. Not ideal, right? Enter the YouTrip card, your travel companion that eliminates these hassles. It's a prepaid MasterCard designed for globetrotters like you. Spend like a local, avoid exorbitant fees, and manage your travel funds with ease. But before you embark on your next adventure, you need to activate your YouTrip card. Don't worry, the process is a breeze. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Step 1. Download the YouTrip app. First things first, you'll need the YouTrip app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play and download it for free. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you're a new user, tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. Existing YouTrip users can simply log in with their registered email and password. Step 3. Find the activation button. Once logged in, locate the Cards section on the app's main screen. You should see your YouTrip card displayed. Tap on the card to reveal more details. Step 4. Initiate activation. There will be a prominent button labeled Activate Card or something similar. Tap it to begin the activation process. Step 5. Verify your identity. YouTrip takes security seriously. To ensure it's truly you activating the card, they might ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves taking a selfie and snapping a picture of your government-issued ID. Don't worry, the process is quick and secure. Step 6. Set your PIN. Now comes the important part, choosing a secure PIN for your YouTrip card. Pick a combination that's easy for you to remember but difficult for anyone else to guess. Step 7. Congratulations. You've successfully activated your YouTrip card. You should see a confirmation message on the app, and your card is now ready to use worldwide. Bonus tip: top up your card. Before you jet off, don't forget to top up your YouTrip card with funds. You can easily do this by linking your bank account or debit card within the app and transferring money. Let's explore YouTrip's features. Now that your YouTrip card is activated, let's explore some of its awesome features. Spend like a local, enjoy competitive exchange rates, and avoid foreign transaction fees when spending overseas. Real-time tracking. Keep track of your spending in real time with the app's transaction history. Multiple currencies. YouTrip lets you hold various currencies in your account, making multi-destination trips a breeze. Instant top-ups. Need more funds? Top up your card instantly from your linked bank account or debit card within the app. Security features. YouTrip employs robust security measures to protect your funds, including PIN verification and transaction notifications. Traveling the world just got a whole lot easier with the YouTrip card. It's your one-stop shop for convenient and affordable travel spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.